All right, let's get to our disassembly today. The DDM4 V11 Pro, which will be the same as the V7 Pro for disassembly purposes. So first thing, make sure the gun is empty. Right there is your mag release. Push the mag release button. Now we're going to open up and look inside the chamber. And I always pull twice on the charging handle just to make sure. Fire the trigger, and the gun is now empty and safe. And of course, it feels boring by now because this is the same as the first two videos I posted, but there's your takedown pins, just like every other AR-15 has. That's the first step, just like on the little 7-inch. So I'm gonna use a plastic tool, push in the takedown pins. This isn't pressurized. It's not spring-loaded, so you can just take the lower right off. And there you have the AR-15 lower assembly. Looks the same as the other two AR pistols, of course. No surprise there. So we're going to take out the buffer spring first. Use a little tool to push down that. This might have a little pressure on it. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't as much, but let's see how this spring, oh boy, this spring popped right out. And we're going to set that right there for cleaning, or if you needed to replace it, of course, you could easily replace that spring. And here we have this charging handle has a kind of a push button style instead of the other one I had that has kind of a butterfly flex like a bow and arrow. This is just the single push button there. So we'll pull that, brings back your whole bolt carrier group, charging handle comes out, and there is your upper assembly. It's basically ready to clean. There are people that have posted videos of taking down every single little part, taking off the rail guard, taking the barrel out, all that stuff. I don't need to do that just for cleaning. But if you want to have some fun, do some Googling on that, check on YouTube. So there it is. There's the Daniel Defense upper. And we're going to set that aside now. Take apart the bolt carrier group is the first step, of course. And you're going to get the firing pin, retaining pin out first. It's kind of like a needle, has the head with an opening. So I have a sharp little tool here I can use to thread through that needle. Pull the firing pin, retaining pin out, and set that down. You can clean that off. And now the firing pin right there will knock right out. Just tap it on the table. It may take a few taps. This one's sticking in there a little bit. Tap it right out. There is your firing pin. And that allows that cam pin to turn 90 degrees. And that can also tap out onto the table, or you can use a small tool to pry it out. Let's get that cam pin out. There we go. And that allows for the bolt to pop right out, so you can clean it, lubricate it as needed. And that's basically everything we need to do to clean this AR-15 platform. Please like this video if it helped you out at all.